first thought that came to your mind soon after you heard about Murari re-release?
I was surprised, and it was fun. I thought it was great fun and excited also, I must say.
Can you share any fond memories or anecdotes from the filming of Murari?
It was a fun set, a young set. It was great to work with Vamshi Garu. And actually, my fondest memory from Murari is my friend that I found on the set, and that's Nandini Reddy, who was an AD to Krishnam Vamsi at that time, and she was in charge of getting me to speak my Telugu dialogues. And she used to bribe me and pamper me and get me to say my Telugu lines. She was also in charge of the costume. And I think Manish had done a great job with the costumes, the colors. And so I really enjoyed playing that character. It was fun.
What was your experience like working on your first Telugu film, and how did you overcome the challenges of learning new language and adapting to the culture?
Well, it was challenging to learn a new language. I couldn't understand it, but like I said, Nandini really helped me with the language. The set was a very, very warm set, and it was a fun set. So everybody was kind of like understanding and helping me to get that, to get the language. But the beautiful part of Murari and working on a Telugu film was also because part of the story, especially through the songs, there was this whole Telugu culture that you could make out, you know, the way the marriage happens, the way the family lives, and that was very, very interesting.
Most favorite song from the movie?
I think the movie had fantastic music. It was shot really well also. Two songs I would like to mention. One was Cheppamma Cheppamma. It was also because it was like kind of a in a way a dream sequence kind of a thing, where he's traveling to a place and he keeps imagining the girl in various spots. And I loved the way I was wearing these beautiful sarees in that, you know, so chiffon sarees in colors. So that was a lovely song. But I think my favorite would be the first song where they introduce the characters, and that's I think it's Ikkada Ikkada Vando Taraka. I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation right, but that was a beautiful song and very melodious. My favorite song.
What message would you like to convey to fans who are excited to see Murari on big screen again?
I'm so happy that it's re-releasing, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoy it as much as the audience had enjoyed watching it at that time. I do feel that there is something that can be, young love, first love, and there is so much that you can identify with in that zone. And so I'm sure that even today's generation will have something that they can take away from the movie today also. So guys, mark your calendar. On the 9th of August, there is a re-release of Murari. It's 4K theatrical re-release of Murari. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I would love to know what you think about it.